Here is the little red hen, and there are her friends, cat, dog, and goose. Look, says the little red hen. Seeds! What seeds? Let's plant them. Come on, who can help me? Come on, who can help me? Says the little red hen. I can't, says cat. I want to sleep. Who can help me? Says the little red hen. I can't, says dog. I want to play in the water. Come on, says the little red hen. Who can help me? I can't, says goose. I want to sit in the sun. All right, says the little red hen. And she does all the work. She plants all the seeds. The seeds want water. Who can help me?